Welcome to our next lesson. In our next lesson, we have area and perimeter of rectangles. Area and perimeter of rectangles. Now, objectives, the things that we are going to achieve in this lesson. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to know the abbreviations for and the relationship between meters, centimeters, and millimeters. After that, you are going to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. Now, here we have two key terms. These are the terms or words that you are going to find in this lesson. So you need to know their meanings. So the first one, we have area. What is the area of a shape? So it is the amount of flat space that it occupies, or the area of a shape is the amount of flat space that it occupies, or amount of flat space that shape occupies. So the second one, we have the perimeter. What is the perimeter of a shape? The perimeter of a shape is the distance around the edge of a shape. The distance around the edge of a shape. Now, let us start with abbreviations for and the relationship between units. The first one, we have meters. In short, we just write small letter m. The second one, we have centimeters. In short, we just write small letters C and M. And the third one, we have millimeters. In short, we just write small letters M, M. So M stands for meters, cm stands for centimeters, and mm stands for millimeters. Now, let us focus on the relationship between units. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. So the question is, how do we convert between units? So converting meter into centimeter, multiply by 100. While converting centimeter into meter, divide by 100. Why? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then converting centimeter into millimeter, multiply by 10. While converting millimeter into centimeter, divide by 10. Why? Because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Then converting meter into millimeter, multiply by 1000. While converting millimeter into meter, divide by 1000. Why? Because 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. Now, how do we calculate the perimeter of a rectangle? Here we have example 1. Calculate the perimeter of this rectangle, giving your answer in centimeters. So here we need to convert meters into centimeters, as we have been given dimensions of a rectangle in meters. So we know that a rectangle has 4 sides, and all the lengths are the same and all the widths are the same. So here our length is 6 meters and our width is 3 meters. So we have 2 widths and 2 lengths. That means we have 4 dimensions. Now let us focus on the solution. Perimeter is equal to 6 meters This 6 meters is for the length on top, plus 3 meters, that is the right width, plus 6 meters, that is the bottom length, plus 3 meters, that is the left width. So if we add these 4 dimensions, we are going to get 18 meters. But the question says we should give our answer in centimeters. That means we should change this 18 meters into centimeters. Now, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So for us to convert 18 meters into centimeters, we need to multiply by 100. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 18 times 100, and the answer is 180 centimeters. So this is how we calculate the perimeter of a rectangle and converting meters into centimeters. Now here we have example 2. A rectangle is 15 millimeters long, that is our length, and 12 millimeters wide, that is our width. Calculate its perimeter, giving your answer in centimeters. Here, it means that we should convert millimeters into centimeters, or we should calculate the perimeter of the shape, and then that answer should be converted into centimeters. So let us see the solution. Perimeter is equal to 15 millimeters plus 12 millimeters plus 15 millimeters plus 12 millimeters. So if we add all these, the answer is 54 millimeters. Remember, the perimeter is the distance around the edge of a shape. But 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So for us to change 54 millimeters into centimeters, we are going to divide by 10. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 54 divided by 10. The answer is 5.4 centimeters. So that is how we calculate the perimeter and changing between units.